Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneBeat Swim Lite and I'm going to show you how to fix that your headphones respond slowly or don't respond at all to controls. We don't have actually many possibilities here because we've got only buttons here, and if buttons don't want to work at all or they work actually very slowly, we've got actually very not so many things to do. But the first thing that I actually recommend is charging your headphones up to 100%. Leave them plugged in for around, I don't know, 3 hours, maybe 4, so that they are 100% and even over 100%. Then you need to check if this is still an issue. If you still get this issue about buttons, about these controls, you need to do something more. If you see that you've got touch controls, button controls, but they are very slow, you can perform a factory reset. If you don't, of course, that's all you can do. Just contact device support. However, you need to perform a factory reset. Hold plus buttons and this middle button, this multifunctional one, for 5 seconds simultaneously, like this. Now we've got our factory reset done. If you still get this issue after the factory reset, you need to contact the device support. Of course, you can do one more thing, like pairing your headphones to a different device and checking if the issue still persists, but I think this issue is located in your headphones, not in your phone. That's it. Bye.